Good morning again. Welcome to the Backpacktrader Training Room Crude Oil Inventory Report session for Wednesday, June 26, 2024. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not to be considered individual financial advice. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds you can afford to do without. All right, now this will be our last session today, so we can do away with that. All right. A little over a minute to our report coming out. Minute and a half. Please do say hello in the chat. Crude just has a range of 55 cents since the session opened yesterday evening. That's a pretty tight range. Once again, spotlight, power trader on the right with the full crude contract, 8-tick range bar, 8-cent momentum bar depending on platform. Report comes out in just about now. There it is. There is a long, but we're not going to try to take that one. That is the high of the range. This obviously is the low. Mark that one up, but I really want to see a new setup. That's definitely a reaction trade. And it stops out, so it's off the table. Another minute to go before we start taking trades. That pushes the reaction range down a bit. Still 20 seconds from 15 seconds from being able to take trades. Unleaded going too far on that trade, so look for a new one there, as has the 377 tick counterpunch. looking like session is shaping up for a down move, but I'm still not. Got a very tight range today. Just 55 cents on crude since the session opened yesterday, and we've actually covered that full 55 cents in the last since about 6:30 this morning. 6:30 this morning to about 9:30, 9:40. Covered the full that full 55 cents. $80.48, $81.63. No, I'm sorry, 65 cents. No, $1.15. That's more like it. That's still not a real wide range for crude. That's pretty common. That's a short trade on the 377 tick and a long full stop out on unleaded. Unleaded taking this full stop out. Unleaded is also on spotlight 20 tick range or 0.002 momentum, depending on your platform. There is a long trade on crude. That was close on the balance line. And that is going to be, well, if it comes back up, will still be valid, but if it closes below the stop, this will be second close below the balance line or a close below the stop will both, yeah, so that's going to cancel, so that trade cancels. So the flat. Okay, we did get we finally, let's see, yep, we stayed in the trade and finally got to money management and target 2 on the 377 and stopped out on the trailer. So that is a one and done there. Now we have a long trade on unleaded. And a new short trade. I'll take that down to 56. Couple of tick adjustment around that spike just ahead of the setup. Calculator's tracking that, but I haven't triggered in yet. And there, yeah, it didn't fill. That's on sim. Touched my entry, but didn't fill. And there it filled. And unleaded taking a second stop out. And there is target 1 that fast. I will take the stop to 56 with the adjustment that I made. The system would be power quitting on this. Yeah, it stopped out at break even. System should have gotten to target 1. So that would bring that session to a close. So the only thing we have left is unleaded, and it's taken 2 losses already. We've got an 11 and break even. So 11 ticks on the crude session for a spotlight. Didn't get a great deal on was our trade. We got 13. Let's see where we stopped out. 63 and 68. We got 18 ticks on the 377. 11 ticks on the on Spotlight. And actually that knocked me out on the spread. We didn't actually hit the stop that I had set. And if we had stayed with the original trade, we would still be in it. Questions or comments? This one is a little bit tough on the unleaded. Unleaded's drifting down, but it keeps giving us long trades because it is tending to drift down, so it's more overbought than anything. We will have to wait for, if it's going to get a short trade, it's going to be off the 20, 50 or the 20 or the 50 SMA, 20 SMA or the 50 EMA. And Crude would have gotten target 2 with our original, staying with the unadjusted stop. And that would be one and done. Oh, and hit. Short trade on unleaded. Now, was there time for that? 08. Yeah, 11-second bar, so probably time to get into that. Crude trailing at 80.51 now on the Spotlight chart. We would be done hitting both targets. So the losses were 54, 108, 54 tick risk, 108 tick loss, 44 tick risk, 88 ticks, so we're down 196. Gonna take some work. And there's target money management and target 1 on unleaded. That's good for 38 ticks if you're trading target 1. Target 2 traders looking for 865. And it's pushing down. There it is. Target 2, 59 ticks. And trailer is at 911 from the entry at 924. Crude finally breaking down. Looks like going unleaded, going through all 4 targets. Top down to 897, 27 ticks. So 59 from 96 is going to give us 137 down. So it's going to take a really strong trailer here. Big runner. We will see what it can do. We can take another trade. Both the full crude charts, Counterpunch 377 tick and the Spotlight, have gotten to their goals. And 887 for the stop now. Coming close. 85. Not as high as 80. And we stop out and go long. And we do trigger into the long. So we stopped out at 887 and into the long at 892. 87.13 and 24 is 37. So we're exactly 100 ticks down. Back to the entry. Looks like rejected at the 20 SMA. That does not bode well. Crude trade stopped out Subsequent long trade entering, but we're not dealing with that. We're already power quitting there. See what this trade does. How big is it? Target 1 is 42, target 2 is 65, so that's a good size trade. Gives us a good chance to get back to about even. And finally moving up, moving away from 20, money management. Target 1, stop moves to trailing position of 903. And 909. There is our just shy of target 2. And 14. Okay, we've got our 65 tick target 2. Entry was 892 and we're at 914, 922 now. That is 30 ticks on the trailer, so we're just 5 ticks in the hole. And there we go to 32. So now we're 5 ticks positive. And that was a 10 tick jump in the trailer. That took us to 5 ticks positive, so this will be power of quitting. 2 losses and then 2 wins to get positive. And 934 now the stop. So that puts us at 9 ticks. Let's see, not just to 7 ticks positive. $9.43. And $9.62. That's 70 ticks, so we're 35 ticks positive. We will definitely be positive on the session. See if I can get this one to run through. And we will call it a morning. All of our charts will be complete. All 3 charts going positive this time. $9.74. $82 ticks on the trailer. 47 ticks positive. Lowered the session low to 80.20, and then now we're bouncing back up to the session open at 80.77. So I actually got to 80.76, so a 56 tick move in the last 7 or 8 minutes. All right, we're at 979, I think. 978, and it just stopped out to complete. So 978, so 78 plus 8 is 86, less 35 is Positive 51 ticks on the session. At $4 a tick, we still ended up, after 4 trades, with a $200 profit. $414 profit, $414.20. So, positive sessions all around. Don't see any questions or discussion. So I am going to bring it to a close this morning. We will see everybody tomorrow. Regular 9:30 session tomorrow. Hey, everyone, have a good one.